Welcome, pharma professionals. Today, let's dive into the vibrant pharmaceutical industry in India and the pivotal role skilled professionals play in driving innovation and growth. India's pharma sector is one of the largest in the world, supplying over 50% of global demand for various vaccines, 40% of generic demand in the US, and 25% of all medicine in the UK. But what keeps this industry thriving? It's the skilled professionals who bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the table. Starting with research and development. R&D is the heart of pharmaceutical innovation. India's scientists and researchers are continuously working to develop new drugs and improve existing ones. With over 1,400 R&D centers, India is a global hub for cutting-edge pharmaceutical research. These centers are staffed by highly skilled professionals who are experts in their fields, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Next, let's talk about manufacturing excellence. India is known for its high-quality manufacturing capabilities. With over 3,000 pharma companies and 10,500 manufacturing units, the industry is supported by a massive workforce of skilled technicians and engineers. These professionals ensure that products are manufactured to the highest standards, meeting stringent global regulations. Their expertise in process optimization and quality control is crucial for maintaining India's reputation for excellence. Leveraging technology. Technology is transforming the pharmaceutical landscape, and skilled professionals are at the forefront of this change. From automation in production lines to advanced data analytics in R&D, technology is enhancing efficiency and innovation. Professionals with expertise in AI and machine learning are particularly valuable, as these technologies are being used to predict disease outbreaks, personalize treatments, and accelerate drug discovery. Addressing industry challenges. The pharma industry is not without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles, high costs of drug development, and competition are just a few examples. Skilled professionals play a critical role in navigating these challenges. Their deep understanding of regulatory requirements ensures compliance and smooth market entry. Their innovative approaches to problem solving help reduce costs and improve efficiency. In conclusion, the growth and innovation in India's pharmaceutical industry are driven by the expertise and dedication of its skilled professionals. From R&D to manufacturing, leveraging technology, to addressing industry challenges, these professionals are the backbone of the industry. Their contributions not only bolster India's position on the global stage, but also ensure that patients around the world have access to high-quality, affordable medicines. Thank you for watching. Keep innovating, keep growing. This is LearningPath, your guide to pharma insights.